Welcome back, beauties. I'm so glad you're here at Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring a product that promises to keep your makeup fresh and flawless from morning to night. theBalm's Twice as Nice Priming and Setting Spray. It's an aerosol formula designed for all skin types, aimed at both priming your skin before makeup and locking your look in place afterward. Let's see how it performs in real life. Out of the bottle, this spray has a light, mist-like texture that feels refreshing on the skin. It claims to revitalize while providing that dual benefit of priming and setting. The ingredients list is relatively clean, and while it doesn't have active skincare boosters like hyaluronic acid or peptides, it's designed for gentle, universal use, which is great for sensitive or combination skin. I tried incorporating it into my morning routine before foundation, and then again after finishing my full face. The spray distributes evenly without drenching the skin, which is crucial. Nobody wants a streaky primer or a cakey set. It left a subtle, almost dewy finish that helped my makeup adhere better and extended wear through a long day. During testing, I wore it in both air-conditioned environments and a slightly humid afternoon, and it held up reasonably well. There are definite highlights. The nozzle delivers a fine mist, making application easy and mess-free. It's versatile. You can use it as a primer, a setting spray, or even to refresh your makeup midday. I appreciated that it didn't leave a sticky residue or alter the finish of my makeup. On the flip side, for those with very oily skin, the mist is light enough that additional mattifying products might still be necessary. Also, the aerosol can packaging, while convenient, may not be ideal for travel due to airline restrictions. In terms of value, this spray is moderately priced for a brand like theBalm. It's durable, the bottle size is generous, and the dual functionality could potentially replace two separate products, which adds to its appeal. Compared to other setting sprays on the market, it's competitive in price and performance, though some high-end options do include added skincare benefits. The bottle itself feels sturdy and well-made, with a consistent spray mechanism. I didn't interact with customer service directly, but theBalm has a solid reputation for responsiveness and quality control, so that adds some reassurance for potential buyers. If you're curious about alternatives, drugstore options like NYX or ELF offer comparable dual sprays at a lower price point, though the mist and feel might not be quite as refined as this one. For those willing to invest a bit more for the brand experience and a reliable, pleasant application, Twice as Nice is a solid pick. Overall, Twice as Nice Priming and Setting Spray excels at what it promises: a versatile, lightweight spray that refreshes skin and prolongs makeup wear without fuss. If you have normal to dry skin or are looking for a multitasking product that won't interfere with your makeup, this one's worth trying. For oily skin types, pairing it with a mattifying primer or powder may be necessary. If this review has helped you, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support keeps honest reviews like this coming. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've tried this spray, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. The link to grab it is in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.